Swaram. Today is Republic Day, 26 January. On this day in 1950, India became a free got our constitution. The constitution is like a big rule book from our country. It was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891. He is called the father of the India Constitution. She fought from